According to rumors, Samsung may drop the Galaxy S24 Plus from its portfolio, leaving only the smaller Galaxy S24 and the productivity-focused Galaxy S24 Ultra. While Ice Universe revealed that it will keep its curved sides, the screen itself is said to be completely flat. Ice Universe expanded on the leak in a later tweet, revealing that the Galaxy S24 Ultra's flat panel will measure roughly 6.8 inches at 1440p resolution, but with a peak brightness of 2,500 nits. This is a significant improvement over the 1,750 nits panel found on this year's Galaxy S23 Ultra. Combine these flat screen rumors with reports that a titanium frame will reduce the S24 Ultra's weight to only 233 grams, and it sounds like a significant upgrade over this year's phone. This year, Samsung is focusing on the Galaxy S24 Plus, finally updating the display in key critical aspects. The S24 and S24 Plus will have somewhat larger screens than their predecessors, but the S24 Plus will have QHD resolution, making it even more pixel-dense than the S24 Ultra. The specifications are a little easier to guess. The yet-to-be-announced Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC will most certainly power the Galaxy S24 in the United States and elsewhere. Last year, the two firms collaborated to create a special variation of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the Galaxy S23, and it's difficult to envision that collaboration ending. Meanwhile, expect 8GB to 12GB of RAM on these phones, as well as many storage tiers that might reach 2TB on the Ultra. It's essentially another modern smartphone. However, there has been a lot of speculation in recent weeks about what Samsung actually plans to power this smartphone, particularly in Europe. Following prior rumors of the firm searching to pivot back to in-house CPUs by 2027, we've heard that Samsung may attempt to switch back to Exynos chips in select countries as early as next year. However, the brand has refuted this report. Given the popularity of the Qualcomm-based Galaxy S23, this might be a controversial move, which explains the opposing rumors. One UI 6, which is based on Android 14, was officially released in beta on the Galaxy S23 series in August, ahead of an anticipated stable upgrade for all three phones, as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.